Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping good health. In this video, we will start with chapter 11, Perimeter and Area. What do you mean by the term perimeter? Perimeter means length of boundary of a rectilinear figure. Now what is rectilinear figure? A plane figure formed by line segments is called rectilinear figure, such as triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Let's consider perimeter of rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a closed figure made up of 4 line segments where opposite sides are equal. To find out the perimeter, which means boundary length, we will cover all the sides. We will add them all. Next, putting their values, we have L plus B plus L plus B. Adding them, L plus L means 2L, B plus B means 2B. Taking 2 as common, you will get the final formula as 2 into length plus breadth. This is a formula for perimeter of rectangle. So if a rectangle is there, no need to add all the sides to get the value of perimeter. Just use this formula and you will get the value of perimeter of a rectangle. This is a general formula. Next, perimeter of square. Square is again a shape made up of 4 line segments, but here all the sides are equal. Perimeter of a square, again add all the sides one by one to get the total boundary length. Here the values of all the sides are equal. Adding them all, the general formula for perimeter of a square will be 4s. The next topic is area. What is area? Area of a closed figure is defined as the amount of surface it covers. Let's consider rectangle. Here, opposite sides are equal. Area of a rectangle will be length into breadth. Next, square, where all the sides are equal. So area of a square will be S into S. Moving to exercise 11.1. Question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. Here, the first value is length, the second value is breadth, and we are supposed to find area. Formula for area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Putting the value of length as 500 and breadth as 300. Now we are supposed to multiply these two numbers. We will simply multiply 5 3s are 15 followed by 4 zeros. This will be your answer. As its area, you will write the unit as square meter. The second part of the same question is the cost of the land. If 1 square meter of the land costs rupees 10,000, 1 square meter costs rupees 10,000. So here, first line will be cost of 1 square meter. Total area we calculated is 150000. So we will find the cost of this area. 1 is given to you. You have to find cost of calculated area. Simply multiply the two values. Here, now you will have 15 with 8 zeros. Now it's a cost, so we will write the answer in rupees. Question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. We are supposed to find area and the perimeter is given to you. So we will use the formula for perimeter. First you will find the value of side and then we can find the area. Perimeter of a square means 4 sides. Here perimeter is 320. Write it on left hand side. 4s will come as it is. As we are supposed to find value of s, shift this 4 to the other side and we will get s as 320 upon 4. Divide them and you will get the answer as 80 meter. This is the value of side which you can use further to find the value of area. Area of a square means side into side. Putting the value of side here, you will get 80 into 80. Yes, 8 8s are, it's 64, 00. It's again area, so the unit will be square meter. Question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. We have to find the value of breadth. The given value is of area. So whatever is given, whether it's area or perimeter, we will use the same to find out the missing value. Here area is given to us, so we will use this value of area and length to get the value of breadth. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. First use this area on the left hand side and length on the right hand side, and b will come as it is. Again we are supposed to find b. We will shift this 22 on the other side and we will get b as 440 upon 22. Cancel them and you will get the answer as 20 meter. This is the breadth. One more part is there. You have to find its perimeter too. Now you know the value of length and breadth both. Now you can easily find out the perimeter, which means 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is 22 which is given to you and breadth is 20 which you calculated just now. Add the bracket part. We will get 2 in the bracket 42. Multiply them and the answer will be 84 meter. Now the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Again here perimeter is given. So which formula you will use first? Perimeter's formula. If the length is 35, find its breadth. So the missing value is breadth. We will use the formula of perimeter to find this value. Also find the area. We are supposed to find the area too. So here first you will use the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, which means 2 into length plus breadth. Here the perimeter is given to you in the question itself. It's 100 and the length is 35 and the breadth you have to find. Now whenever we are supposed to shift the value which is outside the bracket is shifted first. So here you will shift 2 first. Right now we are multiplying 2. When you will shift it, we are supposed to divide. So you are left with 35 plus b, and on the other side you will get 100 upon 2, which means 50. Now you will shift this 35 to 50 side to get the value of b, which is 50, and here you are supposed to subtract 35. Yes, the answer will be 15 centimeter. Now breadth is calculated. Now we can find area, which is length into breadth. Length is given to you as 35. Breadth you calculated just now, which is 15. Multiply the two, you will get the answer as 525 and the unit will be square centimeter. Question number 5. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. If the side of a square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. Here, it's given that side of a square is 60 meter, length of a rectangular park is 90 and breadth is missing. On the very first line, it's given that area of a square park is same as area of a rectangular park. It means area of both the park are equal. Now using this condition, we will solve and find out the missing value. Putting the formulas on both the sides. Area of a square means side into side and area of a rectangle means length into breadth. Putting S as 60, so we will get 60 into 60 and length as 90 and B will come as it is. Multiplying the left hand side numbers, you will get 3600 is equals to 90 into B. Shift this 90 to the other side to get the value of breadth, which is 3600 upon 90. Cancelling zeros. Then 9 ones are 9 40s are. Breadth here is 40. You can write the final answer as breadth of a rectangular park is 40 meter. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Here, length is given to you of a rectangle and breadth is given to you of a rectangle. Now, as per the condition, there is one wire. Using this wire, first we will form a rectangle. So this wire is forming the boundary of the rectangle, which means perimeter. So the total perimeter of this rectangle is the length of the wire. Now with the same wire, we are forming a new shape, that is square. Now the total wire is forming the perimeter of a square. In both the case, the length is forming the boundary. Wire is same for both, so the perimeter or the boundary area of both the shape will be same. So here we will write as per the condition, perimeter of a square will be same as perimeter of the rectangle as both are formed by the same wire. So the boundary length will remain the same. Putting their formulas, perimeter of a square means 4 into side, but it's not given to you. The side is not given to you. So we will write 4 side. And perimeter of a rectangle means 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is 40 and breadth is 22. Solving the bracket area, writing the left hand side as it is. We will get 2 in the bracket 62. Again the left hand side will come as it is and on the right hand side we will get 1 to 4. To get the value of S, we will shift this 4 to the other side and we will get S as 124 upon 4. Divide them. We will get the answer as 31. So we can say that measure of each side of a square is 31 centimeter. Next. Here we are supposed to find which shape encloses more area. So In the question there are two shapes. One is rectangle, one is side of a square. So here first we are considering rectangle. To find out its area, the formula is length into breadth. Putting the values of length and breadth, multiply them, you will get the answer as 880 square centimeter. Then consider the side of a square and you will find the area of a square, which is side into side. Putting the value of side as 31, so you will get 31 into 31, which is 961 square centimeter. Compare the values and you can write that square shaped wire enclosed more area. Question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area. Again here the perimeter is given to you. So the very first formula we will use here is of perimeter, which is 2 into length plus breadth. Here the perimeter is 130, length is missing and the breadth is 30. Again, what you will shift first? The value which is outside the bracket. So you are left with L plus 30, which is 130 upon 2. Divide the 2, you will get the answer as 65. To get the value of length, now you will shift this 30. So you will get L as 65 minus 30. Subtract the 2, we will get the value as 35 centimeter. Now we are supposed to find area, which is length into breadth. Length you calculated just now, breadth given to you, multiply the 2 and you will get the answer as 1050 square centimeter. Moving to question number 8. Question number 8, it's given a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. So there is a door of 2 meter length, 1 meter breadth. It's fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. We have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Whitewashing the wall means this door we are not supposed to whitewash. Only we have to whitewash the wall. So we have to remove the area which is covered by this door to get the area which is to be whitewashed. So first we will find area of a wall and then area of a door. Right now I am considering door here first. Area of a door will be length into breadth, which means 2 into 1. That is 2 square meter. Now the dimension for the wall and we will find area of a wall as length into breadth, which means 4.5 into 3.6, that is 16.2 square meter. To get the value of area which is to be whitewashed, we have to subtract the two areas. The values are 16.2 minus 2. Subtracting whole to whole, we will get answer as 14.2 square meter. This is the area which is to be whitewashed. Now in the question, cost of 1 square meter is given to you, which is rupees 20. From 1 square meter, we have to move to 14.2 square meter. So we are supposed to multiply them. Finally, we will have the answer as 284. As this is a cost, we will use the unit rupees here. I hope all the questions are clear to you. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.